Density varying with respect to temperature. So what we heard, mass is nothing but density into volume. Mass I can write density into volume. M is mass, D is density, is volume. Here what happened means when temperature changes, mass is not going to change. Total mass of the body will remain same. Because of temperature, density and volume will change, but mass will not change. Total mass of the body is not affected with the temperature. Mass will remain same. So from this information, what I understood is density and volume, how they are related to each other, inversely related to each other. Generally for all metals, what all conductors or metals, if I am telling conductors or metals, what we know is volume is directly proportional to temperature. For all solids, we can say volume. That means few solids are there where they will get compressed, contracts, where they contracts with temperature rise. But we are discussing about the majority of the substances of solids, volume and temperature, they are directly proportional. Volume and temperature, they are directly proportional. So just now we wrote as density is inversely proportional to volume. Can I write here density is inversely proportional to temperature, beta? Simple. Volume is directly proportional to temperature. Density is inversely proportional to temperature. Any doubt? So whenever temperature increases, density decreases. When temperature increases, volume increase. For temperature increase, density decrease. Density of the substance decreases with rise of temperature. Density of the substance decreases. So now this is the phenomena what we observe. So that means I have to understand density is connected with volume. Density is connected with volume. If you observe carefully here, the one important point you have to understand that formula for volume, if I see formula for volume, it is connected with gamma. What is gamma formula, beta? Gamma is equal to Vt minus V0 by V0 into T. So in numerator and denominator volumes are there. So simply I can write in the place of Vt now I can write as 1 by dt. And in the place proportional, inversely proportional. So okay, mass will remain constant. If I write here, actually I have to write here m by dt, m by d naught and everything. Mass in your same, it will be cancelled. So I am not using m here. Directly I am writing in the place of Vt, I can write 1 by dt. In the place of V0, I can write 1 by d naught by 1 by d naught into t. This is the expression I am writing. Okay, I wrote this expression. From this expression, what if I take LCM? What I will get? D naught minus dt by d naught into dt divided by t by dt I have. So what will happen here? T by d naught, sorry, t by d naught. So I can understand that here d naught will be cancelled. This d naught and d naught will be cancelled. And d will come up to the denominator there. So I can write finally my expression like this. My expression I can write gamma is equal to d naught minus dt by dt into t. I hope you people are clear till here. So this is the expression for gamma I got. Gamma is d naught minus dt by dt into t. Any doubts for anyone in the class?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, what you have said to mass, sir, it is constant.
Yes, mass is constant because temperature increases, mass will change, beta.
Okay, sir.
Mass, total mass will remain same only, no, beta. It may increase its volume or it decrease volume, but mass is nothing but the content inside will not change, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, another student have another doubt. Yes, beta. What is your doubt?
Can you explain this 1 by dt minus 1 by d naught?
Nothing better here. Here what I did here is actually volume is there, no beta. Volume is nothing but mass by density. Mass is same I told. So V naught is M. Vt is M by dt. So if I have to spend here, I have to put here, I can put here M naught also. Just here, I'll put here
Yes.
M naught. If you want, I can put here M. M is mass, not M naught. M is mass. So M is mass is same I told. Mass I told it is not affected I told. So mass will remain same no beta. So
Yes.
everywhere numerator, denominator, everywhere all these mass will be cancelled. So I didn't mention the mass. Is it clear? Is it clear beta for you? What I thought is clear?
Yes, sir. D denotes for, sir?
D is density no beta. D naught is
Yes,
at
sir.
0 degrees centigrade. Dt is density at here. V naught is what? Volume at 0 degrees
Volume, yes,
centigrade.
sir.
D naught means density at 0 degrees centigrade. Vt means volume at T degrees centigrade. Dt means density at T degrees centigrade.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? But already we done with this topic no beta.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Next, any other student have any other doubt? Yes, beta, what is your doubt? No doubt? Okay. Now, actually this formula is clear and we got some knowledge here. Now what I am doing here is, I am going for next formula for gamma. I already discussed for you the formula V2 minus V1 by V1 T2 minus V2 T1. Now again I can replace in the place of V2 I can write 1 by D2. In the place of V1 I can write 1 by D1. Here I can write 1 by D1 into T2 minus 1 by D1 into T2 minus 1 by D2 into T1. Can I write like that, beta? So from this, can I take LCM? In the numerator, what is LCM? D1 minus D2 by D1 into D2. And again, denominator LCM, if I take D2 T2 minus D1 T1 divided by D1 into D2. So simply here I can cancel numerator and denominator terms here. And what I am left with is D1 minus D2 by D2 T2 minus D1 T1. D2 T2 minus, I can write it as D1 T1. D1, 1 minute, I wrote here T2. Let me write T1. V1 T1. So what is my final formula for gamma? I can write gamma is equal to D1 minus D2 by D2 T2 minus D1 T1. Here what is D1 and what is D2? D1 is density at T1 degree centigrade. D1 is density at T1 degree centigrade. The D2 is density at T2 degree centigrade. Density at T2 degree centigrade. Like that, we can write the expressions. Let's go for previous page. Here, what I wrote here, in this one also the same thing here I can write. Here, gamma is equal to, add this formula, gamma is equal to, can you observe, D naught minus dt into dt into t. Here, what should I write? dt is equal to d naught by 1 plus gamma t. How you got this one, sir? How you wrote dt equal to d naught by 1 plus gamma t, sir? I will explain it. I will explain this one first for you clearly, and I'll go for next. So here, this expression, if I cross multiply, I can write d2 into t into gamma is equal to d naught minus dt. So what I am doing, dt I am taking this side, and okay, dt I am taking the other side now. I am taking dt to other side. So when I take dt to other side, what will happen now? Can I tell me? Here dt is coming here, d2 plus d2 into gamma into t is equal to d naught. So here dt common means not 2 is dt, it's not 2 dt. So if I take dt common, I can write 1 plus gamma t is equal to d naught. So dt can I write now? D naught by 1 plus gamma t. Is it clear? Now the question is arises. What is dt, sir? What is d naught, sir? D naught is nothing but the D naught is density at 0 degrees centigrade. D naught is density at 0 degrees centigrade. Density at 0 degrees centigrade. Here D naught is density at 0 degrees centigrade. And dt is density at T degrees centigrade. Density at T degrees centigrade. Is it clear? So this formula you have to know. And again this formula you have to know for density and gamma relations. Mainly, majority of the problems will be doing with this formula, dt equal to naught plus 1 by gamma t. And some problems will be using even this one also. Situation limits. So this is the topic related to density varying with respect to temperature. What we told in density varying with temperature, sir? Here what we started here, first we'll see the journey. Here, from where did we start? From here, density varying with temperature, mass is density into volume, density is inversely proportional to volume is directly proportional to temperature. We know temperature increases, volume will increase for the substances. So density inversely proportional to volume is density is inversely proportional to temperature. This is the basic rule. Then after that, we derived the formula for gamma and density relations. Gamma and density relations. The D naught density at 0 degrees is greater than density at T degrees. Temperature increases, density will decrease. After that, we framed this one dt equal to D naught by 1 plus gamma t. Both are same. This formula and this formula both are same. These two are same beta. Don't think this is another topic. Same thing. This one only just I cross multiplied and shuffle the terms and I brought this one equal to naught plus D naught by 1 plus gamma. Now you check this one here. What is there? Gamma is this the formula for volume at V1 at T1 degree centigrade, V2 at T2 degree centigrade formula. By taking this formula, I got the density final formula like that. I hope it is clear.